Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Schoolpad app, your comprehensive guide to academic success. First, download the official Schoolpad app directly from your device's app store, whether you use an Apple device or an Android one. Once installed, simply open the application and enter your unique login credentials, which are usually provided by your school. Remember to keep these details confidential and always ensure you are on a secure network when accessing your account for the best experience. Your Schoolpad dashboard acts as the central hub for all your academic activities. From here, you can quickly glance at new announcements posted by your teachers or the school administration, ensuring you never miss important updates. The integrated calendar feature clearly displays upcoming assignments, tests, and school events, helping you plan your schedule effectively. Take a moment to explore the various tiles and customize your view, making it easy to access the information most relevant to your daily routine. Managing your academic workload is simple with Schoolpad's dedicated assignments section. Here, you can easily view all pending and completed tasks, along with their respective due dates and submission instructions. When your work is finished, you can upload it directly through the app, often in multiple formats such as a document or a PDF file. Furthermore, stay informed about your academic standing by regularly checking your grades and detailed performance reports, which provide valuable insights into your progress. Schoolpad facilitates seamless communication between students, parents, and educators. You can send private messages to your teachers regarding questions about assignments or schedule appointments, ensuring clear and efficient dialogue. The app also serves as a central repository for essential school documents and supplementary learning materials, which are accessible at any time. Should you encounter any technical difficulties or need further assistance, the integrated support features offer quick access to help resources and customer service representatives, making your experience smooth and productive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.